Dear students, good morning, Namaste. I am CS and we are on maths online classes. The chapter sequences and series. In this chapter, successfully we completed 9.1 exercise and 9.2 also. Now we are going to learn about the GP. GP means geometrical progression. Okay, now we learnt about AM, AG, AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Everything is a series only, sequence only. With a different condition, it may be called as arithmetic progression, or geometrical progression, or harmonic progression, or orthogeometrical progression. There are some. Okay. Here we completed the arithmetic progression. Now we are going to learn about the geometrical progression, GP. Okay, Rana? You see. If in a sequence or in a series, each successive term can be obtained by multiplying with a constant to its preceding term. That means each term can be obtained by multiplying the preceding term with a constant. Okay, now that constant must be non-zero. That is important. Non-zero. It is non-zero. Where the first term is also a non-zero number, then that sequence is called as a geometrical progression. For example, suppose 2 is there. 2 comma, I want to multiply with again 3. That is 2 into 3 is 6. Again we multiply with 3. That is 18. Again we multiply with 3, it is 54 and it is going on. Very clearly, we will take a simple one. Suppose A is, the first number is 1, A is equal to 1. Okay, Nana? And that ratio, it is called as ratio, I will tell again. The constant, non-zero constant is, say it is, notation is R. It is also 2. It is 1 into 2 is 2. That 2 into 2 is 4. That 4 into 2 is 8. That 8 into 2 is 16, 32, 64, 128. Like that, it is going on. It may be finite or infinite series or sequence. Here, each term is clearly 2 is obtained. This is a number, a term. It can be with the preceding term. If you multiply with a constant, it's constant 2 only. 2 into 1 is 2. Again 2 into 2 4. Again 2 into 4 8. Again 2 into 8 is 16. Like that one. Okay, now this type of sequence is called as a geometrical progression. Here you see, where the first term is a non-zero number and here the constant with which multiplying okay, now multiplying each term is called, okay, now is called, I will write in this, is called the common ratio. Okay, now the common ratio. It is called as a common ratio and it is denoted with a small r. Okay, now it is important. It is small r. Okay, now in the arithmetic progression, each term can be added with a constant. That is common difference, CD or D notation. Here common ratio, CR, that is smaller. Okay, like this. You take this example. Here also okay. It is 2 na, with here R is equal to 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 18. 18 into 3 is 54. Like that is going on. Okay, na? That is it. Note. The general form of GP, it is called as a GP, geometrical progression, is A, comma, A into R, comma, AR into R, AR square, AR cube, AR power 4, dash, AR power N. It is going on like that one. Okay, now AR power N minus 1 and going on. Is finite or infinite GP. It is based on the terms, the total number of terms. If it is finite, up to 10 terms, up to 50 terms, it is a finite GP. Or it is going on up to infinity, it is a infinite GP. Okay, like that. But here you see one more thing. In this general form of GP, the first term is first term. That is the first term, T1 is equal to A na? Yeah, okay. Whereas, what is the second term? It is AR. AR means AR power 1. That is AR power 2 minus 1 or T2 means 2 minus 1. What is T3? AR square, third term. AR square is there. AR, that square will 3 minus 1. Okay, na? So, whenever you want a T3 means A is common, R power 3 minus 1. Suppose T10 is needed, A is as it is into R power 10 minus 1. In this case, nth term, we need nth term is important. Nth term of GP is A R power n minus 1, like this. Suppose T15 means AR power 15 minus 1. T11 means AR power 11 minus 1. Nth term means T10. This is T10. I will write it clear. Tn is equal to AR power n minus 1. It is important concept. Okay, na? In the geometrical progression, AR power n minus 1 is the nth term. 100th term, T100 AR power 100 minus 1. Okay, na? So here this is a geometrical progression. Its general form is AR plus AR square plus AR cube plus AR power 4 plus dash going on. You may feel that, sir, what about this one, sir? Yeah, it is also there. You see, A plus AR plus AR square plus dash AR power n minus 1 is there. Is also GP because a sequence or a series. A sequence or a series, R series also is there. Both are same, or a series. Also we may take it. Okay, like that. It is the concept of geometrical progression. Now, okay. Hence, GP is A plus AR plus AR square plus r cube plus and so on up to r power n minus 1. It is going like that only. Okay, now n terms are there. You don't see that r power n minus 1. R power n minus 1 is a different one. Okay. Why? Because n minus 1 index is there, but it is nth term. Because r power 1 means second term. R square means 1, 2, 3, third term. So r minus 1 means that is nth term. Okay, this is GP. The first term is a common ratio, that is r is equal to r only. Okay, common ratio is r. Nth term Tn is ar power n minus 1. We learned about the three concepts. Okay, now finding sum to n terms of GP. Okay, we are finding the sum GP. Let sum of n terms of GP be Sn. That is the notation is common. That implies Sn is equal to a plus ar square plus ar cube plus ar power n minus 1. Okay, suppose r is equal to 1. Then if I am writing r is equal to 1. If r is equal to 1, what happened? If r is equal to 1, it is very easy. Then it is a plus a, r is 1, a 1 square is 1, a, again a, dash, a, n times. Okay, na? So the sum is n a, where r is equal to 1. Okay, na? But the thing is here, r is other than 1. At the time, we have to do like this. Okay, na? If r is not equal to 1, then what is Sn? A plus ar square, ar cube and so on, ar power n minus 1. Okay, na? n into Sn. I multiply with r. I multiply with r. R into Sn. It is ar. In LHS with r I multiply. R into Sn. Here also each and every term is multiplied by r. ar into r, ar square, ar into r square, ar cube. R into ar cube is ar power 4 and it's going on ar power n. R into r into r square, r into r square, r cube. Like this, r into ar power n minus 1, n minus 1 plus 1. So you'll get it. Okay, now? Or before that one, I will write r power n. It is the last one. By multiplying r, we get that one. What about the last but one? It is r power n minus 1. Don't confuse me. If you multiply r with r, the RHS, r into r into ar is ar square. Like that, r into ar power n minus 1. Clearly, slowly observe. R into ar power n minus 1. That is a r power 1 1 plus n minus 1 cancels a r power n. That is okay. That is the actually series. But I am taking the extra term. What is the previous term? A is common. R power n minus 1. For this one, what is the previous term? A r power n minus 2. A r power n minus 3. Like that is going on. Okay now? Right. Now, say it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Okay, now? Just we take if 1 minus 2, that means Sn minus R Sn. Okay, now? It is, we are subtracting 2 from 1. What happened? This is minus. I will write with this thing. This is minus, it is minus, it is also minus, 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 like this. It is also minus. At the time, cancel. R square cancel. R cube cancel. Not AR. Like that. The term is there. Okay, now? Here also, this term cancels. So there remained only above is A and there it is R power n. Minus is there, don't forget. So it is Sn is common, 1 minus R is there. Okay now? Here it is A of 1 minus R power n is there. So we need Sn only. Sn is A 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Or otherwise, we may write it as a different way. A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 also. Okay, now? So that means the sum to n terms of GP is A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. Better to write like this. I am taking A interchange here also. So I'll get minus by minus plus. Okay, now? So this is the sum to n terms of GP. It is sum to n terms of GP. Okay, na? Where R is not equal to 1. This is important. If it is equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. In denominator 0 is meaningless. Or here also 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1. 0 by 0 is independent value. So this is a condition. Okay, na? Like it. This is the theorem. Okay, na? Just pass. Okay, we'll do some examples. We are given in the example 1, if 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 comma 16 32 is a GP, then we have to find T10 and also S6. Okay, now solution. You see, given GP is 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 8 16 32 and going on is GP. Here A is equal to 1, R is equal to R means common ratio is T2 by T1. You see, A comma AR comma AR square dash dash AR power n minus 1 is GP na. What is common ratio? CR, common ratio. That can be T2 by T1. Okay, na? I forgot there, but I am right. T2 AR by A na. T2 is T1, it is T2, it is T3, it is Tn. T2 by T1 is R. Or otherwise T3 by T2. AR square by AR cancels, R1 cancels, again we get. Or T10 by T9 AR power 9 by AR power 8. T10 means 1 is lesser. T9 means here also cancels, we get R1. Okay, like that. But here R is T2 by T1, 2 by 1, so it is 2. 2 is a ratio, common ratio. A is equal to 1. We need to find T10. T10 is AR power 9 by using the formula. What is A1? What is R2 power 9? So it is 2 power 9. It is 2 power 7 into 2 square. 2 power 7, we know. You see it is 1, it is 2, 2 square. It is 2 cube, it is 2 power 4, it is 2 power 5. You remember 2 power 5 is always 32. 2 power 6 is 32, 64, 128. 2 power 7 is 128 into it is 4. How much? 32, 3, 12, 4, 48, 51. Okay, that is. Again, S6, X6. S6 means it is A of 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R otherwise. Okay, na? Otherwise, we may write it is A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. We use this one. It is 1, R is 2 power, what is n? N is 6 only, minus 1 by 2 minus 1. It is 2 power 6 is already 64 minus 1 by 1. It is 63. Okay, na? Yes, 6. Sum to 6 times. Similarly, one more problem. That is second problem is 4 comma 2 comma 1 comma 1 by 2 1 by 4 1 by 8 and 1 by 16 is going on. It is a GP is given. Here A is equal to 4. A is equal to 4. And what is the R? R is equal to T2 by T1. T2 is 2 by 4. It is 1 by 2. So R is equal to 1 by 2. Ratio is different. Okay, na? They're different. Observe. So here we need to find T7. T7 means AR power 6, 1 is lesser. A is 4 into R is 1 by 2 power 6. 4 by 2 power 6. 4 by 2 power 6 is, we know, 64. So 1 by 1, 24, 6 times. 1 by 16. You see that T7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th term is 1 by 16. Yes, correct. And T6, I'm sorry, it is yes. S6 again. It is A of R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. A is 4 into R is 1 by 2 power n is 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. It is 4 into 1 by 2 power 6 minus 1 by, it is minus half. Half minus 1 is minus half. It is 4 of 1 minus 1 by 64. Not 26, it is 2 power 6. I am interchanging. Here also we get minus. Interchanging minus plus. This one bit. It is 8. Okay, na? 8 of 2 goes up now. It is 64 minus 1 by 64. I am right here. It is 63 by 8 eighths. So this is S6. Okay, it is S6. Okay, na? Like that we can solve the problems. Is it clear? Simply you solve it. Okay, yes. Thank you.